Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. So I'm always doing updates on the RV. I wanted to share this one with you guys. Here are some tools that you're going to be using. The wire strippers, and you want to always check to see if there's power. Really cheap tester. So this is the outlet that I'm going to be replacing, and this is the outlet I'll be replacing it with. You'll notice it has USB ports, which is really necessary for almost all of our devices. I found the breaker corresponding and made sure I turned that off, and then loosened up the screws to take it out. So these type of receptacles have kind of a different format from the ones you'll find in your house. They are boxed within themselves. So they have the pop-out wings that'll help tighten it up to the wall, and a shallow box attached to it where the wires are stabbed into the back. It's a friction fit. So you want to make sure you follow the exact format that yours have, and then remove them gently with your pliers if you wish. I usually use a screwdriver to get behind them to pry them forward. Once you do that, then you'll see that it's no longer making contact, and as I said before, make sure the power is off. Now you have loose wires here. You're going to need to strip back the sheathing a little bit so you can get to those wires. There are other videos on my channel that enter into more detail as to how to strip those wires and make a good connection, but the following explanation talks a little bit more about the box. So these old work boxes that they're making now are really funny to me because I've been doing this for years, cutting the back off of pop-in boxes. So they come out with the back already out, but a little bit of facing to keep it from sinking in. I already tested to make sure that these are dead, as you saw earlier. I already know which breaker they're on. So I'm just gonna fit them around the wires. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So they go in straight up like this, with the wings kind of reserved, and then you open them up. They spread open with a screwdriver, a little bigger, so that they keep the box from falling in, right? Giving you a surface to mount the new outlet to. Very excited about this upgrade here. It's gonna be much, much better with USB outlets too to boot. I will make a disclaimer that I would prefer to have a deeper box, or you could even go with a shallow box that has a full-on cover in the back to make sure no connections are exposed. But I just wrap this with tape because it's a very shallow wall that it's going into. So you're going to make those connections. Like I said, I don't go into detail of this. I'll connect a video in the bottom with how I have installed other outlets in the past, but the final results are amazing, and when we go camping we have no problem plugging in all of our devices.